just a short video of Lake Panic, which is a bird hide. It's not far from the Skukuza golf course and the Skukuza nursery. So and that's a red-crested cuckoo that you hear there. If my birding friends think I've identified that incorrectly, let me know. Piet my vrou. So when you come to the bird hide, remember this is protected, so you protect it here. And when you come to the bird hide, it is open. There's wild animals on that side, but you're safe where they say it's safe to get out of your vehicle. So you walk down this protected area and you get to a hide. I will be quiet when I get there and just take a short video because people are there to video and photograph the water birds that you will find at this little Lake Panic. I think it's probably because there's a lot of let's start. There's a golf course not far from here, and Lake Panic may be one of the areas where they need to put there's a tee there and they need to get to the next golf section. Sorry guys, I'm not a golfer. So they have to get the ball across the lake, and that's why it's called Lake Panic, I think. Or it could be because I suppose there's hippos and there's crocodile in there, and so I'm going to be quiet now and just give you a view of what to expect when you come to Lake Panic. Water?
No.
Okay, thanks.
Cái